So this is GBPUSD, 15 minutes time frame. Let's start. We are looking at trend. It's up, but like in previous lecture, here again is a big red candle. So it means that the sellers are coming in the market, at least for a while. And to mark some important points, this high and this low, but it's too far, so it's not important at the moment. And maybe this resistance and now support. So that's it. Let's move to small time frame. We see this big move again. It's called demand zone, but this is something else. So if you are interested in supply and demand trading, look at my other courses. It's called Trading with Banks. But now we are scalping, and yeah, we see this level where the big move started. So there is possibility, if the market goes here, that it will reverse. And again we saw that support line, but it broke through, came back, broke through, came back. So two fake outs, and now it's the third, but I think this would be breakout, not a fake out. So as you can see, it went up, rejection week, again broke, rejection week and up, and this time there is no rejection week on this candle. So I think this time it will go down. So probability shows us this scenario, but let's look at lower time frame. Yes, we can draw a new support line here, and now we need to wait. I will show it on 1 minute time frame. Now we need to wait what the price will do in this level. So if the price from here retest and reject here and goes down, or the price goes back, but again there will be always some retest, so wait, be patient. Here it's already some kind of retest, so we are just looking for that rejection if we are going down, or the comeback to this level and about this level and retest, and then we can buy. So buy here and sell here. And again the targets, if we break through like this, retest it, reject it, then we are looking for sell. Then the stop loss should be above the rejection candle, so something like this. And we are looking for buys. The candlestick must be the opposite, so rejection to the upside, and again the stop loss should be below this candlestick, and the target on buys should be at this level on the previous high, and the sell target should be in this zone from higher time frame, like this. And again, if the market goes here, we see small support level here, and like this. If the market does this, fake out, return back, we are looking for buys here. And if the market goes like this, retest, and we are looking for sells here, we can sell here. So it depends if the market comes back or retest the line, and the same in the opposite way. So if it breaks, retests, we are looking for buys, and if it comes back, we are looking for sells, and so on and so on. It's very simple, and yeah, that's it for this pair, and see you in the next analysis.